Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku on non-smart TV. Let's go. Connect your Roku device to the power supply and to the TV via HDMI. If your TV does not support HDMI, use an adapter. I will leave a link to the adapter in the description. Wait. If you are not logged in, you will need to select the language, time, Wi-Fi and log in to your Roku account. After that, you will be able to use Roku. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku on non-smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.